Well, the rain has finally arrived on the Central Coast. This was the view out in San Luis Obispo earlier this evening. You can send us your photos on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as this storm progresses. Let's take a look at those current temperatures now. 44 degrees in Paso Robles, 47 in San Luis Obispo, 50 in Santa Maria, and 51 in Santa Barbara. Our 24-hour temperature change shows several areas a lot warmer than this time yesterday. 12 degrees warmer in Paso Robles, 13 degrees warmer in Shandon, and 8 degrees warmer in Santa Maria. Certainly doesn't feel that warm out there though, especially with these really strong winds. Several wind advisories out there even at this hour. 14 miles per hour right now in Paso Robles, 9 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo, and 18 miles per hour in Santa Maria. Now watch our wind forecast. You'll see why there's so many wind advisories issued for this storm. This is a look at 6 a.m. tomorrow. We're at 38 mile per hour winds in Paso Robles, 26 in San Luis Obispo and Lompoc, and 25 in Santa Maria. Now these are sustained winds. This is not even wind gusts. So there's a high wind warning that's currently in effect for San Luis Obispo County because of chances of winds that are 20 to over 40 miles per hour, and a regular wind advisory for Santa Barbara County because of winds that are 20 to 30 miles per hour. But there's a good chance that wind advisory in Santa Barbara County might get upgraded as the storm progresses south. Now this is a look as we're heading into Wednesday afternoon. We're at 26 mile per hour winds in San Luis Obispo and Santa Maria, 30 miles per hour in Lompoc, and 22 miles per hour in Santa Barbara. Now these winds could be pretty destructive, especially when they're paired with these extremely strong wind gusts. This is a look at 5 a.m. tomorrow at 54 mile per hour gusts in Paso Robles, 51 in San Luis Obispo, 43 miles per hour in Santa Maria, and 37 miles per hour in Lompoc. So this storm was forecasted to possibly have gusts that were up to 60 miles per hour. And when you look at this, it shows that's totally not out of the question. Now, wind gusts this strong are problematic for so many reasons. They could take down tree limbs, power lines, and really just cause destruction across the Central Coast. Now, all of this is also being paired with rain that's going to be coming down throughout the day tomorrow. This is a look now at 2 p.m. tomorrow. We're at 48 mile per hour gusts in San Luis Obispo, 36 in Paso Robles, and 43 in Santa Maria. So again, several wind advisories out there on land and out on the water as well. We have a gale advisory that could be upgraded to a storm watch. That means that wind gusts out on the water could be between 50 to 70 miles per hour. That's paired with extremely high surf and even potentials for coastal flooding tomorrow morning when there is high tide, particularly around the Port San Luis area. So our weather model shows more timing of when we can expect some of the heavier rainstorms, and that could happen in just a few hours for some parts of northern San Luis Obispo County. This is a look at 6 a.m. You can see plenty of strong activity in Cambria and Paso Robles area. That's that yellow and red color. This pink color shows potentials for snow accumulating in the Santa Barbara County mountain areas where there's currently a winter storm warning because of the snow accumulations and those really strong wind gusts. Now the rain continues to intensify and just linger over the Central Coast for not only just Wednesday, but again, this is continuing all the way into Thursday. This is a look now at 4 a.m. Thursday. We're seeing more strong activity now move to southern Santa Barbara County and still rain accumulating in northern San Luis Obispo County. Now, the rain rates are of concern. That's why we have a flash flood watch. Now, when rain rates are this strong, they could trigger a debris flow in places like the Avila burn scar area. So that's going to be something that officials are watching over the next 24 hours. So how much rain are we expecting? Well, this is a look now at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Places like Cambria close to 3 inches of rain, over an inch of rain in Paso Robles and San Luis Obispo, and the rain keeps getting added on and on. Potentials to break records tomorrow. This is a look now at 11 p.m. We're at over 6 inches in Cambria, over 5 inches in Paso Robles, and 5 inches in San Luis Obispo. Continuing on, by the end of this storm, Cambria could possibly even reach 9 inches by Friday. So if we look also at our snowfall totals, the Santa Barbara County mountain areas is going to be accumulating snowfall and snow levels will be lowering, but that doesn't mean we should go out and check out the snow because it's going to be really dangerous out there. So forecast for tomorrow, 58 degrees for your high in Paso Robles, 61 in San Luis Obispo, Santa Maria, and Lompoc. Down the coast in Carpinteria, 56, 58 in Santa Ynez and Los Alamos. In the 5 cities in Nipomo, we're looking at 61 degrees, 61 in Arroyo Grande and Pismo Beach, and in northern San Luis Obispo County, 61 in Avila Beach, 60 in Morro Bay, and 60 in Cayucos.